Options in October, November, and December are active today in the Russell as traders set up for big events in the fourth quarter. Hello, everybody. On this options expiration day, I'm Angela Miles with the Russell Report. Well, China, Syria, Brexit, impeachment talks, and the Fed meeting at the end of the month are making for some interesting and active trading today. In trading so far, we've seen the Russell hit 1536. The high of the week was 1541 and the low 1480. The Russell seems to be trading in that range again. Well, the index does have some short-term resistance at 1542. Support is 1527.25. Taking a look at the options action so far out in December, some 1530 calls are active. Could be a setup for potential Santa Claus rally there. Then there are also some November weekly calls. Those I want to mention as well because they're expiring the first week of November at 1620. That would be just after that Fed meeting. The ratios so far in the tape, one call trading for every 2.3 puts. So heavy on the put side today. The straddle for next week setting up for a move of 1.9%. The RVX is right around 1753. We're not too far from that 1 month low. Coming up next, we'll do some trader talk and talk about those FOMC options right after this quick break. Options strategist Paul Foster joins me now. And what do you see happening with the options right around the FOMC meeting time here, Paul?
Angie, we're still low. The volatilities are still low. Stocks are at near record highs, but there's some paper being brought out into that FOMC meeting. It's going to be some of those Nov weekly calls and October weekly calls.
All right, let's talk about those strikes. What's happening? I know people are taking out the advantage of this lower vol here.
Yeah, and then it's two-sided, but they're initiating those purchases in the October 1540 calls and the 1545 calls in October for the RUT.
So buyers and sellers of those calls you're seeing in the paper.
Takes two sides, but the trades are on the offer side.
All right, well, good to know that. Thanks so much for coming on the show.
Thanks, Ann.
That's a wrap for now. I'm Angela Miles. Have a great trading day, everybody.